What is up, guys? Jamaica Rescue here with another reaction. This one is a quick one. I jump on it quick. Guys, my two family members, my two granddad from each side of the family. We are here. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is, right? Pete and Bass speeding. That is what it is, right? Pete and Bass speeding. My two granddad them. We are going to jump straight tonight. We are going to break down. We are breaking down. So, we are pausing every 10 seconds or less. If it's not for you, exit. Leave the video from now, because this is what we're doing. Anyway, guys, let's jump straight tonight. Let's go. We're not wasting no time. Speeding. That is what it is. Speeding. So, all we know is that Pete and Bass is consistent as hell. They are so consistent. I know this is going to be a fire. They haven't started yet. Let's go. Can somebody tell me which one is Pete and which one? Because I've been reacting to them and I still don't know which one is Pete and which one is Bass. Can someone please tell me? Is the tall one Pete and the short one Bass? That's what it look like to me. Pete and Bass. Does Bass mean Barry? I don't know. Bass, make up yourself. I don't know. But I like them Adidas tracksuits. I'm breaking down, so these things I'm gonna pick up on. I like them Adidas tracksuits. You see me? Like them. Hey! In the beamer, windows black so the feds can't see me. yo, this is the car from Back to the Future, right? This is the car that's from Back to the Future. All right, what am I say about Beamer now? In the beamer, windows black so the feds can't see me. Yeah. Big things in the glove box and I got things in the boot I'm dealing. Straight when I tell her say where am I rolling now? It's a Benz, blacked out window, the fed can't see me. See me? Him have things in the car. Him have things in the back because him a deal. You don't know the thing. You know the deal. I don't want to get pulled over. I don't want to ruin my evening. And a bat and a black tape be my mate. I'm speeding. Bam. Yo, guys, this is why I love breaking down. Because I pick up on everything. I'm not missing nothing at all. Me not miss. The man say, you know, I get pulled over because, you know, I fuck up in the evening. You don't know if you get pulled over, especially up on a Friday evening. You're not getting a bill until all Monday, you know, dog. So, your whole weekend fuck up, you know. Your whole weekend is in shambles. Come on, guys. Speeding. Mate, I'm speeding. Wait. I have to say this. Who is writing for them? If them are right by themselves, big up them, big them up. But me know say a lot of rappers that's actually taking it serious. Not saying that these guys are not taking it serious, but a lot of rappers are actually trying to take it serious. Pete and Bass are outdo them in every song. Pete and Bass is outdo them with style, flow, lyrics, views, every friggin' thing. Pete and Bass do it left them. Jesus Christ. Ring on a mobile phone. Bands look down in a mobile home. Down to the grow house out in the country. My look at how they grown. Yo, let's go again. Ring on a mobile phone. Bands look down in a mobile home. Bands look down in the mobile home. What am I about mobile home? Sorry, I'm trying to pick up enough. Ring on a mobile phone. Bands look down in a mobile home. Down to the grow house out in the country. My look at how they grown. My look at how they grown. We are out in the country in a mobile home. My look at how they grown. Him weed them attack, you know. Him weed. Not no plant, not no flower, not no roses. Him weed them grow. With nice big fat buds. Yeah. Wife ain't talking to me right now because she found 2 reps of the cling in the sofa. She was like Bez. One more time when it's over, G. Oh, so that's Buzz. Oh, the short one is Pete. Me get it now, guys. Thank you for who comment already, but thank you. I appreciate it when we get it now. Christ, and I'm up again hands on the wheel at 6 in the morning. Getting mission and pasted in this cause a new kitchen needs installing. But do it because him need to keep him most up to date. Him new kitchen need installing. Like, come on. Him have to do him a do. All the way for nag. Peter, Bass not really care. Which one again? Bass, yeah. Bass not really business. And the wife keeps calling. How much for the heated flooring? Calm yourself down. I'm driving a car and I can't keep stalling. I ride around town in the beamer. Windows black so the feds can't. Them are things to say. Them are
up and down in a beamer. Where them get the carrier from? Where them get the Back to the Future carrier from? Which part in a GTA them go thief the Deluxe? Which part in a GTA them thieves the Deluxe? Yeah, the flying carrier. Which part? This is not a beamer. What the hell? What I do? Anyway.
Big things in the glove box and I got things in the boot I'm tailing. I don't wanna get pulled over, I don't wanna ruin my evening.
Ooh, the kick games. Yo, the sneakers game, the trainers game. Whoa, the kicks. You know see the kicks a while ago, guys?
I don't wanna get pulled over, I don't wanna ruin.
Look on the kicks. Look on the kicks. Yo, them have swag, them have swag. They got the drip.
My evening. And a bat and a black set, babe, my mate, I'm speeding.
Buckler. Whoever hear the part here and don't dance to it, no bad mind. Whoever dislike the video here, no, the original video, not mine, no bad mind. It got to be the rappers them that's trying hard and not making it. I got to be them disliking Pete and Bass video. No bad mind. No bad mind. That me I say.
Mate, I'm speeding. Mate, I'm speeding this, speeding that.
Here we go again. Here we go. This is my second granddad. Let's go.
Just got caught in a speeding trap. Can't get caught when I'm dealing packs and I'm dealing this and I'm dealing that.
Him just got caught in a speeding trap. Him can't. You have to drive slowly. You have to drive more slower, brother. You can't get caught, brother. You can't get caught in the speeding traps, brother. You can't eat for yourself. So you have to know that. You see me? Especially when you are dealing.
Felix, gotta feed these cats. I left that trap and it's been intact ever since.
Woo!
In this and I'm dealing that. Felix, gotta feed these cats.
Felix, gotta feed these cats. Felix, the cat of the junkie them, obviously. Felix is a brand with cat food them, right? Yeah. Felix got to bars, metaphors, simile, bars.
I left that trap and it's been intact ever since. Got a big fat check from Red, but you know that I can't sit back. Speeding here, speeding there. I speed so fast I lost my hair.
Speeding this, I speeding there. I speed so fast I lost my hair. I literally lost my hair. So we don't know what I want this.
You know that I can't sit back. Speeding here, speeding there. I speed so fast I lost my hair. Lost my nut and I smashed his face. His head got caved with a kitchen chair.
I lost my nut. I lost it. I lost it and smashed him with him head got caved in with a kitchen chair. When you hear that? Violence. The boss them bad. I believe them say them bad enough. I believe say them bad.
When it gets cold, I wear me fur coat like a polar bear. I'm strapped with a white Montclair, the short I'm snub, I keep it there.
Bumbleclaw, you're gonna check. Listen again.
Like a polar bear.
Listen with the boss. Let's listen to the boss.
His head got caved with a kitchen chair. When it gets cold, I wear me fur coat like a polar bear.
When it get cold, him wear him fur coat like a polar bear. But listen to the part now.
I'm strapped with a white Montclair, the short I'm snub, I keep it there.
Man, somebody Montclair, white man clear. You strap with them white man clear. Money, boss, I make money. The boss can go afford them expensive jacket there. Granddad, please. Give me some pocket money. Please give me some pocket money, Granddad. That's all I'm asking you.
Face can't slay me. Big things in the glove box and I got things in the boot I'm tailing. I don't wanna get pulled over, I don't wanna ruin my evening.
Look on the ring. Look on the Illuminati ring. Look on the scales, look on the compass, on the ring, look on the ice, look on the sovereign, on the middle finger, look on the ice.
And a bat and a black set, babe, my mate, I'm speeding. Mate, I'm speeding.
Yo, you got to love these two. If you don't love these two, no bad man, no fuck. If you don't love them two, them two elder, no bad man. If you don't love them man, you would, got hell, dog. Brother, them man are legend of the thing, dog. No joke. Yo, listen to me, dog. Listen to me. Whoever don't love them two, man, about them bad mind, like literally bad mind. Nothing go on for them. Them fall off, them drop off, them can't rap, them bad mind if you don't love them, man. That is wrong with Uno. That's what I say. Pete and Bass is forever consistent. Normally, them do drill. This is not drill. This is something else. Me love this. Me love this. This is a proper rap. Like, man, I'm speeding. Let's so catchy. Guys, come on, guys. Come on. How can anyone hate on these two granddads? Granddads, only never give me a Christmas present, you know. Me I go want my Christmas present. Me I beg you know. Please and thanks for my Christmas present. Jesus Christ, speeding. Gosh, I'm speeding. Guys, me love this. If you don't love this song, the full song is gonna be in the description below. If you don't love my video, if you don't like my video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and big up to the original subscribers. Them, you understand? Them know the drill. Them know the procedure already. You don't know on yourself already. So big up on yourself, guys. Me out of ear. Me speeding. And until me lose my ear. Me gone, brother. Me gone.